Welcome to Study Loop.
So now we'll work on problem 102 from chapter 17. This question is asking us to identify if a precipitate will form if we mix two solutions of particular concentration of potassium chloride and silver nitrate. So first, we need to identify the possible cross products to see if potentially a precipitate could form. So first we have potassium nitrate, which we know is soluble and will not form a precipitate, and silver chloride, which has a KSP of 1.77 times 10 to the minus 10, which is relatively low. So the next step here is to calculate our concentrations because we're mixing two solutions. So we need to first calculate the moles in the calcium chloride solution and then divide by the volume. So we have 0.055 molar solution times the volume, which is 0.175 liters. This is equal to 9.63, or let's do like this, 9.63 times 10 to the minus 4 moles. And then if we add both volumes, we get to 320 milliliters, which is 0.32 liters. And we do this calculation to get 0.003 molar calcium chloride. And then for silver nitrate, we do the same thing. Concentration of silver nitrate is 0.0015 times 0.145 liters. That gives us, let's change color for clarity here. That gives us 2.18 times 10 to the minus 4 divided by the same volume is equal to 0.00068. Molar. So now we can calculate Q. Q, since we have a 1-to-1 ratio of the ions here, will be simply S times S, concentration times concentration. So our concentration of chloride is 0.003, and for silver is 0.00068 molar. We multiply these and get to 2.04 times 10 to the minus 6. So now we can say that Q, erase this here, Q is greater than KSP. Q is greater than KSP. So silver chloride precipitate will form.